The Masticating Juicer 250 watts in Obsidian offers a generous 5.3-inch feed chute, allowing whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced without the need for pre-cutting. Thanks to its 7-layer sectional screw propeller and cold press technology, this juicer ensures a high juice yield while retaining the essential nutrients and flavors of your produce. Powered by a robust 250-watt all-copper motor, the juicer operates at a low speed of 55 revolutions per minute to thoroughly extract juice from fruits and vegetables. The user-friendly one-button control design simplifies the juicing process, with a reverse mode available to manage any blockages and ensure continuous operation. The juicer's design facilitates easy assembly and cleaning, featuring only 3 parts and a convenient soft plug for hassle-free maintenance. Made with BPA-free food-grade materials, this juicer guarantees a safe and pure juicing experience free from harmful chemicals.